How to add Proton on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Proton on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon and search for Proton. In order to add Proton on MetaMask application, just check this box and tap next. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Proton will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Proton on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.